Hello, Reapers. You know what I love about the internet? Other than amazing documentaries about animals? The comment section of videos about animals. So I like documentaries, right? I really like hunting and predator documentaries. I find them very interesting. And the comments on this video are amazing. Let's see. The lions are so strong! Yes, they are. I agree. Okay, that's actually not bad. I'll give you a like for that. Fight for freedom, my animal's kingdom! Is this a song? I don't know, but I like the song. Poor zebras! Poor cats! What? I get the zebras part, but what about the cats? I actually did like this one. This one's legitimately wholesome. Good job. You deserved it. Incapable zebras! What? The zebras did nothing wrong. They just died. It's not their fault. Jeez. Is there anyone to blame me? I don't know what that says, so... Predators kill an old time and killer animal? Not good. Okay, this one deserves my like. This is my best movies. You own this movie? Whoa. The people who hit the down button hit on it without knowing. Or they just don't like documentaries. That could very easily be something. Predator fail. Well, yes. I don't know why you felt the need to comment that, but... Is there anyone to blame for the blunder? Okay, move on from that now. I hate nature. School ruined it. Bruh. Bruh. Teacher making me watch it. Your teacher's making you watch it. I like your teacher. Your teacher deserves a raise. By the way, guess who's on summer break? This boy right here. The zebra's on summer break. I'm kidding. It's me. I'm on summer break. Yay. Oh, hi, Popeye. He's up here now. Exceedingly cool, beautiful footage. Beautiful, bruh. If there's one thing I learned while watching this, it's that a lion can run 37 miles per hour from 300 feet. Okay, these comments, are fine, but they're kind of stupid. Why'd you just throw out this one fact? That's the one thing you learned. You didn't actually learn any of it. I just want to know how the cameraman survived after filming all this. That is footage. Yes, the floor is made of floor. This guy right here, he deserves likes. I'm selfless promo. Yeah, shameless self promo. Gosh darn it, I missed the light. You're right, that is footage. Since you're correct, I will give you a like. Hey, you're the same. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ultra Ash, bruh. I love watching these types of videos. How is this funny? How is this funny and how is this weird? You don't know what emojis are. Animal Kingdom is awesome. TFB. What's TFB mean? Okay, let's look this up. What does TFB mean? Okay. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I just wanted to show some weird comments. This documentary is cool. Watch it if you want or don't. I do not care. But yeah, make sure to like this video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. And I bid y'all farewell. And even though it's summer break for me, it could not be summer break for you. So still continue to learn science. Still continue to eat sushi. And if you've never done any of those things, well, do them. Okay, bye.